This is the current folder browser. Current folder is the first place where MATLAB searches for files if the folder location is not provided. You can change the location of the current folder by clicking this Browse for Folder button. And you can select another folder as the current folder. For example, you can select the temp folder as the current folder. And you can also reverse that by clicking this button again and to select the original folder at the current folder. However, here is a quick shortcut, so it's called a back button. If we click it, it will move back to the previous current folder. The drop-down menu here allows you to add file informations. For example, the size of the file or the date modified. For example, if I selected this, you will see the date modified information is listed. And you can also create a subfolder or MATLAB files using this drop-down menu. And also you can also manage the current folder window to minimize it, maximize it, undock, and close it. When you right-click a file, you will see another pop-up menu. Depending on the type of the file, you can either, for example, here it's a MATLAB workspace file. You can load the variable in that file to the workspace. Or, for example, if you right-click a M file, you can open it in the script editor window. So for example here, I'm going to right-click this t.mat, which is a workspace file. It contains a variable called t, and over here I don't have the variable t. So if I right-click and load, you will see that the values are loaded to the workspace. And if I want to see the values, I just need to double-click, and you will see 100 double precision values. Also, over here, I have a file called unitprice.mat. It's a workspace file too, and you will see it has a variable called unit price. And also, in the workspace, I also have this variable of the same name. And if I change the values, let's say the last value from 100 to 200, and then we check this variable values in the workspace file. It is the last value is 100. If I load this workspace file, and it will overwrite the variable in the workspace. So if I right-click it and I hit load, you will see that the workspace variable unit price, the last value, is changed back to 100.